So I'm sitting here with Darek of Alpha Sense again. And Darek, you know, the last time that we talked to you, it was a lot about the actual science behind all of this, and we'll discuss that too. But you know, there are a lot of insects though that are indoors.
Yes.
So let's go over a couple of the things that you have that we can utilize inside our houses that attracts insects.
Yes, we have few tools for removing insect from our house and kitchen. One of them is invisible fly catcher. And basically we stick it on the bottom of the window, and every fly and every insect that comes into your kitchen wants to escape to the window, and there it goes. You know, it doesn't see.
Right,
and it
right.
just ends up on this.
And so it literally just, is there taping on the back or something, and it just sticks right on the window itself?
It's
then?
very narrow strip of glue
Right
in
there.
the back that doesn't leave any mess on the window.
And this literally doesn't have the pheromones, anything like that. This is just pure a trap that catches
Just
them.
primitive behavior of the insect. yeah.
Fascinating. And there seems to be a whole different group that are on here, but really if you have a lot of houseflies, this would work splendidly.
Oh, yeah.
Wonderful. And then I see it. It looks like some type of moth, and in the house I know we have pantry moths. Is that?
No, you're right.
So
yes.
tell me about this one.
This actually is again the sticky trap, but has a pheromone on it. That's a little rubber septum that is impregnated with pheromone.
And you just stick that right on
You
there.
stick it right on, and they think this is female. So these are all males that got attracted to the female.
And that's the reason that they go there. And then once you get the males gone, you pretty much have kind of gotten rid of the problem of those in your pantry.
Exactly. Yeah, there's no worms anymore.
Right, right. And so would you hang that? Would you put it up on high? I mean, how
You
what's
can
the
put it
placement?
just on top of
On
the
top.
fridge or inside the pantry somewhere else. So anywhere where it's convenient that you dogs or cat won't get into it,
Right.
or children, or you don't stick your elbow into it.
And is there like a time frame for, like, say I put this out, how long is it when it's full, or is there a time frame that you say, it's time for a new one? How do you track that when you have it in your house?
Usually these lures last about a month.
Okay.
And if the trap is full of moths and there is no more room for them, you replace the trap,
With just
remove
on a
it,
different piece of
replace,
that.
and you just put it on a new.
And if you're really lucky and happy, if you don't have any, it probably means, well, whatever you have in your pantry isn't this.
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
So, yeah.
All right, that makes sense.
This is very species specific.
Right, right. And then, we have a lot of times heard viewers talk about fruit flies.
Yes.
And you actually have something to suggest for that as well. Tell me
Yes.
about it.
This is a pre-baited trap. It's called Natural Catch Plus. It's made by our local company in Portland, actually. And basically there's 4 holes that you have to pierce with this stick,
Okay.
like this. And these flies will smell the attractant in it. They will go in, they'll never get out.
So the stick is just for the poking of the hole?
Yes, yes.
And then the attractant is literally inside of
Yes.
here. And they'll just go down in there, bam.
Bam,
Caught.
yes. You don't
Wonderful.
see them too many, yes.
Well, I have to tell you that I have been so delighted to get to meet Darek and his company Alpha Sense and get information like this, because there really are a lot of easy, effective ways to really trap insects inside and out. So for more information, we'll invite you to go to gardentime.tv. We'll click you over to their website, find out where they can get them or buy them right there online, and start taking care of insects in your house. Darek, my friend, thanks again. Appreciate it.
Thank you, William.